SoFi Invest Retirement Planner Honest Review. Watch before using. SoFi Invest offer a comprehensive suite of retirement planning tools and investment options tailored for individuals aiming to build and manage their investment or retirement savings. Whether you are a novice investor or seeking automated solution, SoFi provides resources to help you navigate your retirement journey. And here are the top features on this platform that makes this platform superior to others, which is a diverse retirement account together with an automated investing robo advisor and an active investing together with a financial planning tools and no account minimum. And here's the pro, which is the advantageous part of this platform. So it comes a user-friendly interface with a cost-effective, which means a zero account minimum and a commission-free trade. So far offer a budget-friendly option for retirement investors. They come with a integrated financial service and educational resources. SoFi offer a wealth of educational content to help user understand retirement planning and investment strategy. And here's the downside about this platform, which is a limited investment option together with a no tax loss harvesting and a customer service variability. That's it.